On a rainy day, I found myself wandering alone in the park, feeling a bit downhearted. Suddenly, a sight caught my eye, a dog joyfully dashing through the rain, its fur drenched yet radiating happiness. I couldn't help but smile, walking over to join in the playfulness. In what seemed like an ordinary moment, I encountered him, the dog's owner. Meeting in the rain, we shared laughter and warmth, as if the whole world had momentarily hushed. From that instant, a romantic journey unfolded. The dog became our witness, and also the bond between us.